Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Cooking with Elisa. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're a return subscriber, thank you for your love and support. Today I will be making steamed banana rice cupcakes. I have these very ripe bananas that I do not want to throw it away, and I was wondering if I could make some cupcakes out of them. So let's begin. First we need about 5 ripe banana, and you want to peel it, and we are going to smash this until it become very soft, like almost like a liquid form. And I'm going to use my fork. You can use a fork, you can use a wooden spoon, or you can use a whisk. That will work too. So here I'm smashing it into very fine paste, and it's very easy to do so because it's very soft. Then we are going to add some sugar, salt, and then we are going to mix this until the sugar and the salt combine well with the banana. And then here I'm adding 1 can of coconut milk, which is about 2 cups of coconut milk. And then we're going to stir this until the coconut milk mixed with the banana. And then now I'm going to use 1 bag of rice flour, so which is about 16 ounces or 1 pound, and it's coming in a red package like this. And I'm going to use all of the flour. It's because I don't want to have any left over, so that's why I'm making all, and then you can just share with your friends or family. And then we're going to mix this until the flour, the banana all combine very well. And then I'm going to add in baking powder. This is what make the cupcakes rise and fluffy. So and go the baking powder, and again the recipe is in the description box, so look for it. And I'm going to add 1 cup of water to help dilute the flour so it's not very too thick. So give that a good mix until everything's mixed very well, everything all combined. Then we are going to pour this batter into a little cup. Oh, before we pour it, we're going to add yellow coloring to make it bright and yellow, so it look like more like a banana flavor. I use 6 drop. So give that a good mix so all your color combine, mix very well, so it'll be nice and yellow. And after that, then we're going to pour in these little cups. These are little cups I brought from Cambodia. If you don't have any, you can use a teacup or sauce cup. That will work as well. So we want to fill it all the way to the top, so it will be fluff up, expand very big once you steam it. And I put it in the liquid measuring cups to pour it because it's easier that way. Okay. But now we're going to steam our cupcakes. When the water comes to a boil, we're going to steam this on high heat for 10 minutes. Okay, there you go, 10 minutes. It cooks very fast because all it is just flour. So after 10 minutes, this is how your little banana cupcake look like. Look at that. It's poof up very nice, and the color is nice and yellow. It's perfect, and it's also delicious. So we're going to let this sit until it completely cool down or halfway cool down. Then we're going to remove it. You can use chopstick, toothpick, or in my case I'm using a small spoon. And then we're going to just put it on a plate or a platter, how you want to do your presentation. Look at that. These are little perfect steamed banana cupcakes. You can do any flavor. You know, I'm thinking about to do a mango flavor next week or so. You can also do a palm flavor, coconut flavor, basically any kind. And I remember I used to do it persimmon flavor a while back on my first video. This is steamed banana cupcakes. In Cambodia, we would call it nom akao jake, and these are delicious. And we want to top it up with grated coconut or shredded coconut. It's go very well. It's give the nice balance of the light taste to it. And there you go, guys. This is how you make steamed banana rice cupcakes. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you know anybody who would like to learn how to make this recipe or learn how to make this dessert, please share the video with them. And if you have not subscribed to my channel and you want more of this kind of video, please hit the subscribe button and you will get notification on all my new upcoming videos. Until then, thank you very much. Take care and bye-bye.